Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to hide hotspot network on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, hiding your hotspot network prevents it from being visible to other nearby devices. This adds an extra layer of privacy as your network won't appear in the list of available Wi-Fi network, making it less likely to be targeted by unauthorized users. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Settings menu on your device. Well, and here select Connections, and then look for Mobile Hotspot and Tethering option. Tap on it. Okay, after that, select the first one, and then on this page, tap here. So look for Advanced, and tap on the option. Okay, next scroll a little bit. After that, here you'll find Hide the Network menu and turn the toggle on like this. Lastly, click Save. Well, that's the tutorial on how to hide hotspot network on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.